So there's going to be a big difference between $50 products and $5,000 products. And the big difference is $50 low ticket items. Low ticket items is more, the sales is built off of volume. You got to sell a lot to make a lot of money. However, when you're selling, when you're in high ticket sales, it's more about trust on that call. So you need to be able to take your time. That's why it could be a 30-minute, 45-minute, an hour, 2-hour call. So when you close $5,000 to $10,000 deals, you don't need a whole bunch of sales. You only need a handful a day, a handful a week to really change your income and the trajectory of your future. I mean, imagine a lot of the companies out there, they go from $1,000 products as an entry level, and then there's upsells all the way from $1,000 to $1,500 to $5,000, 10, 20, 50, 100. There is opportunity in this business for sure. And because the stakes are higher, the commissions are much larger. But obviously that's going to demand a much higher level skill set. And that's what we do. So in this program, we're only gonna focus on high level skills and high ticket sales items. That's gonna be the quickest way to financial freedom and time freedom to free you up to do other things. And once you master these skills, you're never gonna look at money the same. I guarantee you.